What if the next Honda City is about to become the most advanced sedan India has ever seen? Imagine a car that combines luxury, premium comfort, and a bold new design that could make even SUV buyers think twice before making their new purchase. And what if Honda is secretly preparing some major updates that nobody expected? Could the Honda City Facelift 2026 be the sedan that brings back the excitement to the segment and challenge every rival once again? Stay with us until the end because the expected feature designs, changes, and technology updates might completely surprise you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the most India's loved sedans, upcoming Honda City Facelift 2026. The Honda City has always been known for its premium feel, comfort ride quality, spacious cabin, and reliable performance. But now, reports and industry expectations suggest that Honda could be preparing a major refresh to keep the city ahead of competition. And if the rumors turn out to be true, this could be the most attractive Honda City ever launched. Starting with the design, the 2026 Honda City facelift is expected to receive a sharper and more modern appearance. The front fascia could feature a redesigned grille, sleeker LED headlamps, new LED DRLS, and sportier bumper design. Honda may also introduce newly designed alloy wheels, refreshed tail lamps, and premium styling elements that could give the sedan a much stronger road presence. The overall look is expected to more elegant, sporty, and future than the current model. Let's step inside, and the cabin could become even more premium. Honda is expected to offer improved interior materials, a redesigned dashboard layout, ambient lighting, and enhanced seat comfort. The sedan may continue to offer excellent legroom and rear seat comfort, making it one of the most practical family sedans in the segment. Long distance journeys could become even more comfortable thanks to improvement, refinement, and cabin insulation. One of the biggest highlights could be the technology package. The Honda City Facelift 2026 expected to feature a larger touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Other expected features include fully digital instrument cluster, wireless phone charging, premium sound system, ventilated front seats, connected car technology, 360-degree camera, voice commands, multiple drive modes. These updates could make the city feel much more futuristic and premium. Honda has been focusing heavily on safety, and new facelift could continue that trend. Expected safety features may include multiple airbags, ESC, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, hill start assist, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring. With Honda sensing technology potentially become more advanced, the new city could become one of the most safest sedan in its class. Under the hood, Honda is expected to retain a refined petrol engine while improving efficiency and driving dynamics. A hybrid variant could also receive updates for better fuel economy and smoother performance. The focus is likely to remain on delivery, a balanced combination of power, comfort, reliability, and excellent mileage. Talking about the launch timeline, the Honda City Facelift 2026 is expected to arrive sometime in 2026, although Honda has not officially confirmed all details yet. The expected starting price could be around 12 lakh to 18 lakh ex-showroom, depend on the variant and features offered. So what do you think about the upcoming Honda Facelift 2026? Can this premium sedan make a strong comeback and challenge the growing popularity of SUVs? Would you choose the new Honda City over the rivals like Hyundai Verna, Volkswagen Virtus, and Skoda Slavia? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming car updates and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we see you in the next video.